In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mailing list in Odoo Email Marketing. To get started, open the email marketing app in Odoo. This is where you manage email campaigns, audiences, and mailing lists. So it's the right place to begin if you want to organize recipients for future communication. Once the app is open, take a moment to make sure you're on the main email marketing dashboard before moving forward. Next, go to the top menu and click Recipients. This section contains the audience-related options for your email marketing setup. If you're planning to send newsletters, announcements, or promotional emails, this is where you'll manage the contact groups those messages will go to. After that, click Mailing Lists from the drop-down menu. Mailing lists help you organize contacts into specific groups, which makes it easier to target the right audience with the right message. For example, you might create different lists for newsletters, event updates, or internal communications. Choosing the correct list structure early on can make your campaigns much easier to manage later. Once you're in the mailing list area, click New in the upper left corner. This opens the form to create a brand new mailing list. If this is your first time setting one up, don't worry, the process is very straightforward. In the Create a Mailing List window, enter a name in the list name field. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the list. For example, you could use something like monthly newsletter. A clear name is helpful because it allows you and your team to quickly recognize the list later, especially if you end up creating several lists over time. If needed, you can also configure the optional settings. You may enable Show in Preferences if you want this mailing list to appear in subscription preferences, which can be useful when giving contacts more control over the types of emails they receive. You can also select a color for the mailing list. While the color setting doesn't affect the mailing itself, it can make lists easier to identify visually when working inside Odoo. When everything looks correct, click Create Mailing List to finish. At that point, your new mailing list will be created and ready to use. From there, you can begin adding or associating recipients and use the list in future email campaigns. That's all it takes to create a mailing list in Odoo Email Marketing. Once your list is in place, you'll have a much more organized foundation for sending targeted and effective emails.